Zen has been summed up in 4 statements. A direct transmission outside scriptures and apart from tradition. No dependence on words and letters. Direct pointing to the human mind and seeing into one's own nature and becoming Zen.
Hello and welcome to FFC Dance Company.
We are second year BA Honours dancers,
performing the piece Zen Now.
The dance looks at the qualities of the mind
and how they are expressed both mentally and physically.
We hope the piece engages your mind.
We hope you enjoy watching our rehearsal process
and hope you look forward to our MPs.
And don't forget to follow our Instagram.
Thank you!